Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonia here and today you're seeing me in the lift. I am going to the pack store in Mumbai, that is in Borivali. So I just had to buy something because it's been long that I've not visited. So I think I'll take you guys with me. I hope that you will enjoy it. So stay tuned. Bye. Okay guys, so I hope that you guys can hear me. अब मेरा कैमरा कभी भी गिर सकता है, मुझे नहीं पता है. देखो बोला और गिर गया. So I'm going from Powai to Borivali. I'm really excited for that store because I've always visited the Andheri one. Hope for the best. I reach safe and वहाँ पर सब कुछ अच्छा हो. And you know, obviously ये time पे COVID के time पे you have to be very careful about the safety situations and everything. So I guess I'll see you there. मैं भी first time वो store देखने वाली हूँ, तो I hope that you guys will enjoy up with me. I visited the Nykaa store recently, but pack store की कहानी थोड़ी अलग ही होती है. You know, all those brushes and everything. I'm sorry, मैं कभी भी मैंने vlog नहीं किया. This is the first time I'm ever vlogging. So if you find this good, if you find it happy like what I'm feeling, do like, share and subscribe to my channel because that would really mean a lot to me. You know, surprisingly there's no traffic out here in Powai. Oh my god, that's so good. नहीं तो ये टाइम पे it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I mean evening बोलूँ या पता नहीं. So जो भी है, अभी तक 4 o'clock पास नहीं हुआ, so I can say afternoon. It is 3:50 or something. So there is no traffic in Powai. I'll just show you. Wait. There is no traffic. पूरा खाली है. यही तो मजा है भैया. So guys, अभी मुझे I am at the red signal, so I think I should stop vlogging in the car because I absolutely have no idea how to vlog when I'm driving, and I don't want to stand a risk. Though I can use a phone, but you know it's very risky. So I'll just catch you up in the pack store directly. Okay, so I'll see you. Guys, मैंने सोचा था यार ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलेगी. I'm literally stuck since half an hour or maybe more than that. And आप ये हालत देख सकते हैं. मतलब there is hardly any space to you know go. पता नहीं लोगों को कौन सी घाई लगी हुई है, मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. जगह नहीं है जाने के लिए, पर हॉन्क पहले करना है. अब जाके मुझे रास्ता खाली मिला है, लाइक आधे घंटे बाद. आप मतलब मैं लिटरली इतना गुस्सा आता है ना ट्रैफिक में. चलो ठीक है, मैं हमेशा बोल रही हूँ कि I'll see you in the pack store, I'll see you in the pack store, but ये ना I really wanna keep you guys updated. So मुझे अभी खाली रोड मिल गया है, so I'm driving. So guys, after a very long drive, I finally reached to in the pack store. I'll show you once. If I'll just ask inside whether they allow to film. I guess they would because it's the first time. I'm really, you know, I'm just feeling a little neurotic to vlog. But anyways, I'll do that. हाँ जी, नहीं मेरे को खुद का ही निकालना है. मतलब स्टोर में मुझे खुद का ही वीडियो निकालना है कि मैं क्या खरीद रही हूँ क्या नहीं, और कुछ नहीं.
कंपनी ऑलरेडी कर रही है ना. हाँ
नहीं सर, मेरा खुद का चैनल है ना, इसलिए. मैग्नेटिक जो जिसमें आई शेडो लगाते हैं, खाली प्लेन पैलेट. हाँ ये करेक्ट. So guys, I had come to the pack store basically to buy magnetic palettes because I had I had the eyeshadow refills and blush refills, so I just wanted to buy these. Probably I'll be buying the larger size, or else I would be buying I don't know, I'll be buying some size, so let's see. I'm gonna buy this, and also I'm gonna be buying a little few things because you know when you come to a pack store or a makeup store, एक चीज़ के साथ तो हम जा नहीं सकते. So just come along with me and enjoy. It's a beautiful store. I'll just show you around. I'm planning to buy some false lashes. So the one that I would be buying is let's see, I just like natural lashes and not टू हैवी। सर एक 59 दे दो मुझे, 53 और सर एक 56 दे दीजिए। Brushes are really beautiful and they have amazing quality, so I'm going to be buying a few synthetic brushes for my cut crease makeup. So I'm finding few of them. I have a lot of synthetic brushes, but you know, I just wanted for some detailing. इतने brushes है क्योंकि वो अंधेरी में तो बहुत सारे हैं कि सारे यहीं पर ही हैं, शायद मुझे नहीं। I absolutely love collecting makeup brushes. सर ग्रे लेंसेज है तो एक दे दीजिए, ग्रे लेंस पैक की। आयरिस ये नहीं है,
पैक का चाहिए।
हाँ
ये सी पैक है।
हाँ आयरिस
इसमें तो ग्रे नहीं है।
एक ब्लू दे दीजिए मुझे और एक ब्लू दे दीजिए। Two lenses I've got. I was searching for grey. I really like the grey shade from the Iris collection, but unfortunately they don't have it. So I'll buy another one. You know, they are very suitable for everyday, like one-time makeup look. I can use these. I'm sorry, I was not showing my face. Anyways, I'll be buying a few little products. So guys, I'm done shopping. So currently he's billing up, and then we'll get over and I'll show you what products I got. There's one more store in Andheri, but that's unfortunately closed because of some issues, as there is COVID. So maybe that is the reason, or the staff is not coming. Anyways, this is the store that I'm visiting for the first time. So this is exactly in Borivali West. If you guys are wondering where am I and you want pack products, you can just walk in here and get all your products. So I'll just show you what I got in a minute. I'll just bill it up and I'll show you what products I got, okay? Hi guys, I am done shopping and I'm going back. You know, इतना दूर चला कर आओ यार, पवई से बोरिवली गाड़ी चला कर आओ and then वापस। और ये मास्क is taking a toll on me. मैं गाड़ी में 2 मिनट के लिए तो मास्क निकालूंगी, वापस ट्रैफिक मिलने वाली है मुझे। पता नहीं मुझे आपको ये व्लॉग कैसे लगेगा। मैंने सीरियसली गाइज, मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम एवर ट्राई किया हाउ टू व्लॉग। मैंने कभी अपने लाइफ में व्लॉगिंग नहीं की है। आई एम सो कैमरा शाय, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यू नो हाउ व्लॉगिंग इज। सो दिस वाज जस्ट फर्स्ट ट्रायल व्लॉग फॉर मी एंड फॉर यू गाइज। आई होप दैट यू गाइज एंजॉयड इट। प्लीज गाइज हेल्प मी ग्रो माई चैनल, आई रियली नीड योर सपोर्ट। सो अब आई एम गोइंग बैक टू पवई एंड देन आई गो होम एंड आई शो यू व्हाट आई गॉट। इनिशियली आई थॉट आई शो यू गाइज, बट देन यू नो अब बहुत ज्यादा लेट हो जाएगा, तो इसलिए आई गो बैक होम एंड देन आई शो यू आराम से व्हाट आई गॉट। थोड़ा बहुत लिया है, बट आई गेस यू विल एंजॉय बिकॉज इट्स मेकअप, तो एंजॉय तो करना ही है। सो गाइज आई कैच यू एंड आई गो बैक होम। बाय। Guys, my dad gives them biscuits every day, so they think they've seen the car and they're like कि मुझे मिलेगा। You can see they're wagging their tails, but मैंने उनको देना ही नहीं है क्योंकि ये मेरा काम ही नहीं है, ये मेरे पिताजी का काम है। तो अब इन लोग सोचे कि मैं दूंगी। They're looking so cute यार, they're literally waiting for biscuits. Anyways guys, मैं घर पे पहुंच गई हूँ। Hi you guys, sorry I couldn't just complete the vlog the same day. I had mentioned that I would be showing you guys the products, but unfortunately I was so tired that day. So this is the bag that I got from Pack Store, and I was so tired that day. I just couldn't make up all my strength and come back. So this is the next day that I'm filming, so I'll just quickly show you whatever I've got. So the first product that I've got is this huge magnetic palette, and this retails for $13.50. So this would help me keep all the refills, like the refill eyeshadow and refill blushes and whatsoever, like the refills are there, so you can place them easily and you know you can just store them in one place. Then I've got the eyelash glue, so this retails for $8.50. There's no discount on these two products. Rest apart, I've got 8% off on all the products. Next I have these two hairpins, like this is the U pin and this is the baby pin. Guys, ये तो मतलब अनगिनत काम आते हैं जो हर कोने में हम लोग के भूल जाते हैं. So I've got these two boxes. Then 3 pair of lenses. Lenses bold रही हूँ. Lashes. Still I'm so tired, so excuse me for that. And this is in the number 59. Then I've got 53. Then I've got 56. So I've got 3 pair of lashes. Then I've got 2 pair of lenses as well. I actually wanted to buy grey one, but unfortunately it was not available. So I thought of trying the blue one, like the blue shade in this. I have not tried the blue one earlier from Iris. And then I've got turquoise. So for the last product, I've got 3 eyeshadow brushes. Guys, I love collecting eyeshadow brushes. Basically, I love collecting makeup, but eyeshadow brushes is like my weakness, you can just say. तो जितने भी वो कम है. So I've got this pack 204. You can see it's a fluffy eyeshadow brush. You know, it becomes easy for spread. So guys, it becomes easy for spreading your eyeshadow well. So yeah, I got this, and this retails for $5.35. Oh yeah, I also wanted to let you know the lashes retail for $2.45 each. Yes, $2.45 each. The lenses retail for $2.20 each and 8% discount. ठीक है. So this brush retails for $5.35 with 8% discount. मैंने वो calculate नहीं किया है and bill का है मुझे नहीं पता, so sorry. Then I've got the pack. One second. So I've got the pack 314. So this is an angled synthetic eyeshadow brush. Like this is a. So guys, this is a synthetic angled brush. So basically got this for my cut crease makeup, like to be even more specific. So I've got this one, and this retails for $365 minus 8% discount. Then for the last one, I've got pack 341, and this truly resembles a MAC 217, and this retails for $435 minus 8% discount. So this is what I got from the pack store. And guys, there is one disclaimer. I'm sitting in my comfort zone. I'm wearing my night suit, and I just took a shower, and I just thought, you know, why not finish off this vlog. So whoever is watching this video, thank you so very much for watching this. And you know, just it really does mean a lot to me, because you know, filming a YouTube video is not easy at all, but it's fun to do. So I would be coming up with another haul. Like I've got a few jewelry pieces and a few clothing pieces, so I would be very happy to share that with you guys in another video. So guys, stay tuned, and if you did like this vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because that would really mean a lot to me. And also guys, मैंने पहली बार vlogging की है, so please support. And मेरे को angles तो नहीं समझ आ रहे थे, but जो भी मुझे समझ आया, I did that. So next time, I am sure if I am vlogging, I'm sure that would be a little better quality than this one. And then you know, I just will continue doing this if you guys like this. Anyways, now it's time to say bye. So guys, stay safe and stay home, and don't go out unless it is extremely necessary. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.